Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cobra is probably one of the most sought-after brands in the automotive aftermarket, renowned for its high-performance exhaust systems that not only enhance your vehicle's sound but also its power and aesthetics. If you're looking to give your ride a more aggressive growl, a noticeable boost in horsepower, and a sleek, custom look, Cobra exhaust systems are often at the top of the list for enthusiasts seeking quality and performance. Number 5. Cobra Products 61000 2-piece adjustable grip handle. Introducing the Cobra Products 61000, a versatile tool designed for your needs. It's built for durability and ease of use. Featuring a 2-piece adjustable grip handle, it offers a comfortable and secure hold. This makes it easy to maneuver and control during operation. Crafted with highly durable materials, this tool is made to withstand demanding tasks. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. Experience seamless setup and operation. It's designed for straightforward installation and intuitive handling, saving you time and effort. Equipped with a 3/4-inch by 100-foot oil-tempered spring wire, it effectively clears sewer drain pipes. Tackle tough clogs with confidence. This tool is your go-to solution for clearing stubborn blockages in sewer drain pipes. Its powerful design ensures efficient and reliable results every time. What we like. This tool features an adjustable grip for enhanced control and is built for durability. It's designed to clear sewer drain pipes effectively. If you need a reliable and user-friendly solution for tough clogs and larger pipes, this is a great choice. What people say. The Cobra Products has a great design and works well. The functionality and features of the Cobra Products are impressive. Number 4. Cobra Products 333 Drain Large Bladder. Introducing the Cobra Products 333 Drain Large Bladder. It's designed to tackle tough clogs in your pipes. This tool is specifically engineered for clearing drains ranging from 4 to 6 inches in diameter. Say goodbye to stubborn blockages. Its large bladder design ensures efficient and effective clearing. Built for performance, you can rely on this product to get the job done every time. Trust Cobra Products for your drain maintenance needs. This is a dependable solution for your home. What we like. This product is specifically designed to tackle larger drain sizes, from 4 to 6 inches. If you're dealing with significant blockages in wider pipes, this is the specialized tool you need for the job. What people say. The Cobra Products is a great addition to my home. I love the design of the Cobra Products, it is very sleek and modern. The Cobra Products has a lot of great features that make it stand out from the competition. Number 3. Cobra Products 60500 Flat Sewer Rod. Introducing the Cobra Products 60500 Flat Sewer Rod, designed for efficient sewer line maintenance. This tool is manufactured in China, ensuring quality construction. Experience exceptional durability and user-friendliness with this sewer rod. Its robust design makes it a reliable choice for any job. Enjoy simple installation and easy handling, making your work more efficient. It's designed for convenience from start to finish. Crafted from 3/4-inch x 50-foot oil-tempered spring wire, this rod is built to last. Its material ensures strength and flexibility. Effectively clear blockages in sewer drain pipes with this powerful tool. It's engineered to tackle tough clogs with ease. Keep your sewer lines clear and functioning smoothly. This tool provides a dependable solution for common drain issues. What we like. This option offers a balance of durability and ease of use, with a 50-foot length to reach deeper clogs. It's effective at clearing sewer drain pipes. If you're looking for a robust tool for general sewer line maintenance that's easier to handle than longer options, consider this. What people say. The Cobra Products are very good. The Cobra Products are very good. Number 2. Cobra Bowling Products Women's Bowling Shoes. Step up your bowling game with these stylish and comfortable shoes. Designed for the female bowler, they offer the perfect blend of performance and fashion. Experience superior comfort and support with every slide and approach. These shoes are engineered to enhance your performance on the lanes. Specifically crafted for women, these bowling shoes provide a perfect fit. Feel the difference that thoughtful design makes in your game. Not only do they look great, but they are also built to last. Enjoy durability that keeps up with your passion for bowling. Make every frame count with footwear that supports your every move. Get ready to bowl your best with these exceptional shoes. What we like. These are specifically crafted for bowlers, offering comfort and performance on the lanes. They provide a stable base for your game. If you're a serious bowler looking for footwear that enhances your play and looks good, these are a solid pick. What people say. The Cobra products are known for their durable construction and reliable performance. Customers often praise the innovative design features that enhance user experience. The product's functionality is consistently rated highly, with users appreciating its efficiency. Number 1. Cobra Products Co 90099 4-Piece Cutter Set. Discover the Cobra Products Co 90099 4-Piece Cutter Set. It's designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Crafted with high-quality materials, these tools are built to withstand tough jobs and provide reliable use for years to come. Experience ease and convenience with this set. It simplifies your tasks, making manual operations more efficient than ever before. Boost your productivity with tools that are easy to handle and operate. They are designed to make your work smoother and faster. Trust in the quality of Cobra Products Company. This 4-piece cutter set is a testament to our commitment to excellence. What we like. This set is built for durability and makes manual operations significantly more efficient. The 4-piece design offers versatility for various tasks. If you need a reliable and convenient set of tools that will last and improve your workflow, this cutter set is an excellent investment. What people say. The Cobra products are made with high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity. The innovative design of Cobra products makes them stand out from the competition, offering both style and functionality. Cobra products feature advanced technology that enhances performance and user experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.